I want to show you what knit stitches and purl stitches look like in the fabric. These are knit stitches. They look like V-shapes. This side is knitted in stockinette stitch. These are purl stitches. They look like little bumps. Like ridges. On this side, we only knit purl stitches, and on this side, only knit stitches. Let's see how stockinette stitch is worked. On this side, we're going to knit all stitches. Insert the needle through the back loop of the stitch. Catch the yarn and knit. This way, the stitches are neat, not twisted. Watch it again. Insert through the back loop, catch the yarn, and knit. Let's watch it more slowly. Each stitch has 2 loops, the front and the back. The front loop is the one closer to you, and the back is further away. Insert the needle through the center of the stitch. Go through it. And knit through the back loop. Now let's see how to knit on the other side. On the other side, we have reverse stockinette stitch. We're going to knit only purl stitches. The working yarn is placed in front of the work. Watch how it is positioned on the finger. We catch the yarn like this. Insert the needle through the center of the stitch and knit through the front loop. Let's watch it more slowly. Our stitch has 2 loops, the back and the front. The front loop is the one closer to you. We insert the needle, catch the yarn, and knit a purl stitch through the front loop. Watch it again. That's how purl stitches are worked.